Hello and welcome back everyone to my channel. MrCarMAN here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Audi 2012 Q5 and how to upgrade the fog lights to LED. So if you guys are looking to have bright white LEDs as your fog lights just like this Q5, then please follow along with me. I'll have links down below to the LED for the Audi Q5. The one I'm using in particular is from Oxbeam. It's their H11 LED light bulb. And now, without wasting any time, let's get started. So here's the driver's side right now, which I've already upgraded to the new LED fog light. And as you guys can see, it's very white and very bright compared to the other side. Here's the passenger side. It's the original halogen bulb. It's pretty yellow and pretty dull compared to the new LED. So now I'm going to share with you step by step on how to change the fog light. We're going to be doing the passenger side, which is completely yellow right now. And let's get started. I'm going to turn off the fog lights and make sure the car is turned off. We're going to start off by removing the front fog light grille. And to do that, you're going to insert your fingers inside these holes and just slightly pull it. So as you guys just saw, when I pull from the center, the side gets exposed a little bit. And when it's exposed like that, I'm going to put my fingers underneath and just pull. And there's tabbings all the way around this plastic piece, but you're going to gently pull it out and it's going to come out just like this. And now to remove the fog light assembly itself, there are two T25 screws that need to be removed. With the wiring removed, I'm going to twist the bulb anti-clockwise and pull it out. And now grab your new LED. And there's only one way this is going to go in. One tab is going to be bigger than the other two. You're going to align it, put it in, and twist it clockwise. Once it locks into place, I'm going to reconnect the wiring. Now that I saw that the LED works, I'm going to tuck the wire back and then reinstall the two Torx screws. The screws are secure, and now reinstall the grill back into place. Be very gentle with this. As I mentioned before, there's tabbings all the way around, so you want to make sure it's properly aligned and then just give it a gentle tug.
And here are the end results with the new LED fog lights. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I would really appreciate it if you guys could hit that like and share button. And if you guys want to see more car DIY videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, MrCarMAN, and I'll catch you guys soon with another video. Thank you.